How to fix WordPress contact form not sending email. First, you can test email sending capacity. Install the check and log email plugin to send a test email. If it fails or never arrives, even in spam, your server can't send mail reliably. Second, enable SMTP using a plugin. The most reliable fix is to send email via SMTP instead of PHP mail. Install WordPress Mail SMTP, choose a mailer, so Gmail, it's Google Workspace, SendLayer, SendGrid, Mailgun, SMTP2Go, etc. Follow the setup wizard. You'll need SMTP server, port, and authentication credentials, and then send a test email to confirm delivery. Third, use correct form email address. Send the form address to something like noreply@yourdomain.com, matching your site's domain. Use the user's email address in the reply to field, not in from, so responses work correctly. Fourth, add email authentication DNS records. Configure your DNS with SPF, which authorizes sending mail servers, DKIM digitally signs outgoing emails, and DMARC sets rules for handling failed sends or spoofing attempts. These help ensure mail isn't rejected or routed to spam. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.